In this video, I'm sharing my minimalist packing strategy for a multi-day train trip without sacrificing comfort or essentials for a truly cozy train journey. Riding on Amtrak to me is about embracing the journey, not just the destination. Let me show you how minimalist packing enhances that experience. Let's debunk the what ifs. Let's shed the anxiety about overpacking or underpacking for a truly relaxing trip, and let's set the stage for a self-sufficient adventure on the rails. Hello, I want to go over with you what I pack for my upcoming trip. So the first thing I have is my duffel bag here, and I got it off of Amazon. It's by a company called Lovevook, Lovevook. I can link it in the description below. It's very nice. It's very open on the inside. It does have a separate little compartment here, which I normally put my dirty clothes in there. So when I get home from my trip, I know just to grab this stuff out of here, throw it in the wash. Has a nice carry handle here, and it also has an adjustable shoulder strap that you can remove it. So it removes on both sides, and if you don't want to use it, you can just tuck it away inside the bag. Another neat feature about this is that on the bottom here, it has a place for you to put your shoes. However, I'm not going to use this for shoes. I'm going to use it for something else, and I'll show you that later on in the video. Okay, so what do I take with me on a 2-night train trip? So I like to pack as light as possible. So I have my first day outfit. I have a second day outfit, which is a pair of pants and a shirt for both days. And then I have an extra shirt here because the pair of pants on my first day will be my traveling pants back home the third day. I will be flying up on a Tuesday to catch my train, and then Thursday, when the train arrives at its destination, I will be flying back home. The other thing I have here is my pajamas. Also, which came with this bag, is this little bag here, a toiletry bag. And in it, I have all my stuff. I have my makeup, my little shampoos, conditioners, body wash, eyeglass case, in case my contacts decide they don't want to work right, and hairbrush, things like that. So everything's in here that I need. And of course I have my socks and my undergarments, which I don't have shown here on the video, of course. So you see one pair of shoes. These are the only pair of shoes I will be taking with me. And I've done this before on a trip. I just had this one pair of shoes where I wear them with each outfit. What's not shown here and what I will have is just a simple pair of flip-flops. So in the night, if I need to get up and go to the restroom, or when I go to take a shower, I will be using the flip-flops. So let's get packed. Now, I am not one of those people that take the time to pack real neatly. I'm just going to grab my stuff. So I'm just going to pack these up and place them in here. Excuse me. Get my pajamas in there. Get my extra shirt in here. This will be my outfit that I am going out in. Socks, bag here, zip it up, and I'm ready. Okay, so the next thing I take with me is this oversized purse. So I use this just as my regular purse when I'm on trips because I can fit a lot in it. It's just one big deep pocket purse. And I can either wear it just over my shoulder like this, or I can put it on this way. So, in it will be my phone and my wallet. I will also carry this puzzle book. So when I'm at the airport waiting for my flight or just on the train, it's just full with different types of puzzles in here to keep myself occupied, keep my mind occupied. I also take this light sweater. It's just a summer sweater in case I get chilly. Although it's hot, I know it's hot everywhere right now, but sometimes the air conditioner on the train can get a little cold. Always take Clorox wipes with me, and have to have my lip balm for those chapped lips. And I also like to take a fingernail file here with me. So I just simply put my wallet, my phone, these items in here, this down in there, and then this tucks away also. And so I am ready to go. I have this bag, I'll have my duffel bag, and those are the only two bags I will be taking with me. So one of the items that I use is this hand dolly, and I got this on Amazon. It wasn't very much, I believe about $17, but I will link it in the description below in case you're interested in it. So it's very easy to use. You simply just click it open this way, and the handle will pull all the way up and snap in. And then you have a part here at the top that you just bring it back down. And sometimes it's a little hard to close, but you can get it closed. So the way I use it is mostly when I'm in an airport or waiting in line. Instead of having to hold my shoulder bag, I just simply take the shoulder bag and put it in here. I'm sorry, I keep saying shoulder bag, my duffel bag. Just to extra security to hold it on, I wrap it around like this, and I bring it up here. I take the other strap, do the same thing with it, pull it up, and I am ready to go. So what do I do with it when it's all said and done and I don't need it? I simply undo it like so, close it back up, and then the fun part is in my duffel bag here. At the very bottom, there is a compartment. This slides perfectly in here. I zip it up, and I'm ready to go. Just remember, Amtrak is about enjoying the freedom of movement and the beauty of the journey. For your next train journey, or if it's your first train trip,
Keep in mind, packing minimalistically allows for easy transition between train cars and stations. Packing with simplicity allows you to enjoy the simple joys of train travel. Let me know in the comments if you are a minimalistic packer or a heavy packer. Thank you for watching. Please help me grow my channel by clicking the like button, subscribing, and sharing this video. Until next time, this is Soloing Alone.